Why were peasants and serfs essential to the manorial system? Breaking news from the past. The question on many minds today is, why were peasants and serfs so important to the manorial system in medieval Europe? As we look back, it is clear their roles were foundational to society. Let's break down how these individuals shaped the medieval world. In medieval Europe, the manorial system was the backbone of the economy. It relied heavily on the hard work of peasants and serfs. These individuals were the ones who toiled in the fields, ensuring food was produced for everyone. Without their labor, manors could not sustain themselves. Peasants and serfs were responsible for planting and harvesting crops. They worked the land that was often tied to specific plots. This arrangement allowed them to farm in exchange for their services. The food they produced was essential for survival during those times. The social structure of the manorial system was hierarchical. Lords sat at the top, while peasants and serfs occupied the lower levels. This structure helped maintain order within the community. Each person had a defined role, which contributed to stability. Economically, peasants and serfs played a vital role. They provided goods and services that kept the manor running. They paid rent through crops or labor, sustaining the manor's operations. They also participated in communal projects, like maintaining roads and buildings. The continuity of the manorial system depended on these individuals. They passed down skills and knowledge from generation to generation. This ensured agricultural practices remained intact, supporting the manor's long-term viability. In times of war, peasants and serfs could be called upon for military support. While they were not professional soldiers, they could defend their lord's lands when needed. This added another layer of importance to their roles. In summary, peasants and serfs were essential to the manorial system. Their labor, social structure, and economic contributions were crucial for the survival of medieval society. Understanding their roles helps us appreciate the complexity of life during that era.